Hello! Now it's time for me and Sophia to go back to Warsaw after being here in Norway in 2 weeks, and it's been such a blessing and encouraging to be here with family and friends, and everything we did this 2 weeks has been very good. So I look forward to come home also to my husband and to the wonderful people in Warsaw, of course. So I already started packing, and this time I will bring a big suitcase plus a small suitcase and a backpack. Normally I don't have this big suitcase, but now I had so many clothes and so much stuff I just need to take back home. So but that's okay, that's good, because then I have a lot of space to pack in. In this video I just want to share how I am traveling with Sophia by myself, and how I prepare for it, because I learned from all the trips that I went together with Sophia by airplane. I learned that I have to prepare for it. When I do that in a good time, then the trip will be much nicer. And of course that she is used to travel. We traveled with her since she was 2-3 months, small baby, and it's been no problem to travel with her. She's been very fine, but it's of course different stages in the development in her life, and then it's also different kinds of things we have to prepare for the trips. Like now she's 2.5 years old, so she will have her own seat and I will sit next to her, and she understands so much more. It's just that I want to prepare so she will enjoy the flight and she will have something to be occupied with, maybe something new she can have to maybe a magazine or something she can look in, or something she can watch, just making the trip easier and nicer. I just wanted to record this when we are traveling now, and that's how I am traveling with my 2.5-year-old. So her clothes I'm packing here in this small suitcase. I learned that it's nice to already do this, to don't stress with that on the airport. When this is ready to just take out, I'm gonna pack what so it's easy to get it out. I don't have so much system with a little diapers, but I just put it in here so I know that it's in this pocket, so it's ready. We have just been at the store and I bought some snacks for Sophia, like some porridge for her and some snacks to eat, bun and mandarin, and then I have a small gift for her, and that's some colors and some color book with stickers and some different things she can do, activities. So that will be very nice to see. Hi Sophia. Hey. Hej Sophia. Är du klar att dra? Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna put this on, and then we're gonna put it there. Yeah! Hey! Hey! We found a very nice place. A kid's place on the airport. It's very good. Are they good? And then mandarins. So now we have to change diaper because this became wet from pee, so we have to change to something else, and it's good I took extra clothes in the backpack. Är den god?
Baby.
Kan du göra? Kan du göra?
Chwycić najbliższą matkę i pociągając do siebie uaktywnić przed portleną. Będzie asystent po założeniu własnej matki i pomóżcy, którzy mogą potrzebować swojej pomocy. The library is located under your seat in a steel backpack. Zakaz dodatkowe znajduje się pod fotelem. Dodawcze były umowy zawory. Informacja znajdzie w kapitalizacji po prostu liczysz kapitalizacja. Instrukcja bezpieczeństwa znajduje się w kieszeni modela przed państwem. Wygra ważne informacje. Najwyższa automatyzacja i kierowanie do moich konfiguracji. Your electronic devices inside also the sector. Should you need an assistance, please contact the Commission. Szanowni Państwo, przypominamy, iż urządzenia elektroniczne mogą być używane tylko w trybie samolotowym. Alarm oraz inne duże urządzenia elektroniczne muszą być odłożone na czas startu, lądowania oraz zawsze, kiedy zostanie włączona sygnalizacja pasy. Jednocześnie przypominamy, iż zużywanie systemowych w pokładzie, ale i korzystanie z motorów zabronione. A kolejnego pasażera
Yeah, now we are in Warsaw, and Sophia, she slept on the plane, so she's very tired. But the stroller will come here. Waiting for the stroller. Oh, nothing. Yay! Now we are very happy because now we have the big luggage. We have this one. We have everything. Yes. Yeah. We will look for Daddy. We are now back in Warsaw. At home, Sophia is in kindergarten, and it became very late yesterday, so we just went to bed at once we came home, and we just had to rest. So, but the trip was actually very nice, and I expected Sophia to be more awake in the plane like she usually is, but because it was so late, she wanted to sleep, and for me it was a quite peaceful trip. We had a lot of time, we was not in hurry, so when we found this kids corner, she could play there for a while, eat a little bit, then we went to the gate and slowly got ready, you know, to go into the plane. So everything has been very, very nice. So snacks, toys, maybe something new that she never seen before, having clothes to change, diapers, and you will be very, very fine on a trip like that. Have a blessed day, a blessed week, and we see in the next video. if you like it, you can click like. If you want to subscribe, it's also very nice. So bye.